This video will demonstrate viewing your cameras over the Sibell NVMS program. Let's go ahead and get started. Once you're in the program, you want to select on Live Preview. And as you can see, I have 4 cameras on an NVR. So go ahead and left click on one camera at a time and then select the position you want that camera to be in. Okay, and if you have some custom views that you like to create, you want to load your cameras and then right click on Live Preview, select Save View, and you can create custom views. This will make things easier if you have multiple different cameras in different areas that you want to keep track of. So now I'll show you how to load that. Go back to Live Preview. As you see, the cameras are not loaded yet. If we go ahead and left click on View, go to Live Preview, and you can see I have multiple views there that were already assigned. And now the view has been loaded. Thank you for watching.